What said it not last near can Kumasi Asante Kotoko I say every position of the football team no so at least players for that particular position. Now say currently player on that screen is your friend Patrick Asiedu or born the ball my Berekum Chelsea Kotoko and in a way almost subjected to medicals. Now we're joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko no after say Kotoko ebe resume we who say likelihood say obeba Patrick Asiedu the position a obo no okokotoko sesi a nipa obo position no eye baako pe nti omo ye madwen so omo de baako be ka ho na chese sa position ya benya baako aka wo ye position ben super asem no enya si report ni nyaba ya be fa phones no ne afre ne abusam ya me nkyeremu na ne de aba ewo efie ha na player ye ka no asemi Patrick Asiedu no oye right no on your right back Lord Amwan a right back but Lord Amwan no more but this particular player or a left back Patrick Asiedu of Berekum Chelsea na say Kotoko currently left backs no and 21 players e more call no anka left back ba kokra left back for ni nyina e call ye enti e na Kotoko sign a smart from Sudan na who said no Kotoko against a crowd of folk no or started that particular game because Obi no apart from no bit mabo left back. Nti ono kwane currently Kumasi Asante Kotoko player o holding left back position no. Na team na nhyehyɛ is at least position bi ebenya two players ewo ho. Na player on that screen is Patrick Asiedu we abra we in December 2022 Kotoko ne Berekum Chelsea ebobo Babara Sports Stadium munya head injury enyumre no nti yeroshe no call Comfanoti Teaching Hospital saa time no photo no ni adechen no na or respond to treatment na itwa photo a ye de buy no na mepuli ama on the screen. Patrick Asiedu we very good in terms of left back position no nti no any smart na Kotoko for mpanyifo aye o madwen say afi omode omeye adwuma e the left back position and I think say a fair good and a fair deal to Kumasi Asante Kotoko moving forward because a smart no so far the game I heard on your bad unya obi to say player Patrick Asiedu no nene ball at least your more games ball two competitions Ghana Premier League no and the MTN FA Cup and it is a positive sign and more and for about for signing these players for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But let's state it on record in your official from Monday kono be official.